Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss a question on total derivative under the topic partial derivative and total derivatives. So it says that there is a function v is equal to x cube plus yz, or it is x cube yz plus xy plus z plus 3 with x is equal to 3 cos t, y is equal to 3 sin t, and z is equal to 2t. In this case, I think this is a equation parameters of a cone you'll see in the vector calculus. So compute dv by dt at t is equal to pi by 2. So we have to do this total derivative here and find it at the point t equal to pi by 2. We can see that x, y and z are depending on another variable which is t, and this v is a function of x, y and z, right? So in order to find dv by dt, we can do this dv by dx into dx by dt plus dv by dy dy by dt plus dv by dz into dy dt, right? From here we can see that x dash, or we can say dx by dt, is going to be, I'm writing it x dash, so x dash is with respect to t, this will be minus 3 sine t, y dash will be 3 cos t, and z dash will be simply 2, right? Now we can differentiate v with respect to x, and this will be 3x square yz plus y, and we also know what is dx by dt, it is minus 3 sine t plus dv by dy, which is x cube z plus x into 3 cos t, and next one is dv by dz, this is x cube y plus 1 into dz by dt is simply 2, and we need to find this value at t equal to pi by 2, right? So we can do one more thing. Now that we can do two things, either we can substitute x, y, z with this function of t and then substitute the value of t for all the variables present here, or we can directly substitute the value of x, y, z at their respective places, and along with that we can put the value of t also, or functions of t also, like sin t, cos t and all, right? So it will be easier if you can put directly x dash, y dash and z dash, that is these three functions. And apart from that, we can also check what is x, y and z. So for t equal to pi by 2, x is equal to 3 pi by 2, which is going to be 3 cos pi by 2 will be 0. Y is equal to 3 sin t, so this will become 3, and z is equal to 2t, so that will directly become 2 times of pi by 2, which is pi. If you want, you can put x dash also, y dash also, z dash also, or you can directly put the values of t at these places. This term will become 0. So y will be left, and y is 3, and then multiplied with minus 3 sine t. So this will become minus 3. Then again this term will become 0. This will also become 0. X is equal to 0. So nothing is here. This will become 0. This 1 will be there, and 1 into 2 will become plus 2. So this is minus 9 plus 2 equal to minus 7. Right? So for all the terms which is having x, we have directly made it 0. And other than that, sine t will be 1, cos t will be 0 for the terms t equal to pi by 2. So this is the answer.